Hey, Skoolie Nation! On today's episode, the humans install a coffered barrel ceiling in the Skoolie using luxury vinyl plank. Stick around to see it all go up.
Killer Skoolie. Greetings, Skoolie Nation, and welcome to the Killer Skoolie channel. Broadcasting from the Killer Skoolie Orbital Command Center, I am Logan 12. The human female had a vision for how she wanted the Skoolie ceiling to look and function. So, as always, she set about executing that vision. She began by installing 4 sheets of 1/8 thick gluon to the overhead furring strips using screws. Once she had laid down a base, so to speak, she could begin building the coffered barreled ceiling in earnest. After a word from Ed, we'll see how she did it.
Hey, listen up, Skoolie Nation! The Killer Skoolie team has a little website. There you'll find ways to support the humans with this project. You can also find photos of the bus, conversion articles, and other helpful information. Check it out at killerskoolie.com and let us know how we can better serve you, the Skoolie Nation.
Thanks, Ed. That's Ed the undocumented space fungus, everyone. Great job, Ed. The human female began by fabricating a coffer that would run the center line of the bus and serve as a main wiring run. To begin, she ripped some radiata to serve as the side rails. After that, she fabricated several small arched bridges made from 2x2s with cutouts for a wiring chase. Great thinking, human female. After that was done, she joined the radiata to the arched bridges using her handy driver, and then she had the framing for her coffer completed. She repeated the process, fabricating 2 centerline coffers in total. She screwed them both end to end into the furring strips using long screws. to create arched coffers that radiated out from the centerline coffer, the human female fabricated more of those little arched wooden bridges. She installed them over the seams of the luan in regular intervals, screwing them into the underlying furring strips until she reached the side wall. After that, using a template, she rough cut some 1/8 inch thick luan sidewalls to approximately match the arch. Before installing them with glue and finishing nails. She also used 1/8 inch thick luan to cover the bottom of all coffers. Making sure to leave strategic cutouts for the park lights. The human female needed a way to tie the ceiling into the walls of the Skoolie. She began by constructing a framed knee wall-like structure using 1-bys. She attached it to the side furring strips below where the ceiling's base luan edge ends. So as with the ceiling coffers, this side buttress serves more than one purpose. Its surface covered with luan, it provides a straight vertical surface for coffers to die into. And it also functions as a wire chase. Next, she framed around the Skoolie's forward max fan to bring its trim ring down flush with the coffers. The human female used 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch wood corner molding to trim the bottom corners of the center coffer. She ordered some special flexible corner molding for the arched coffers. And installed them in the same fashion using both glue and finishing nails. Finally, the human female got to work installing the glue-down LVP, or luxury vinyl plank, to the ceiling between the coffers. Just butter and stick. Once the LVP was up, the human female installed her flexible inside corner molding to the ceiling around the coffers. She also installed some low-profile crown molding along the sides where the ceiling meets the sidewall. And finally, the humans got the party on. And primer all the coffers. Final paint will be applied in a later phase of the build. What's coming up next time, Ed?
Alright, Skoolie Nation! Thumbs up for the human female! On our next transmission, the humans install a beautiful tile shower in the Skoolie. You do not want to miss any of that, so subscribe to the Killer Skoolie channel by clicking the subscribe button. Go ahead, subscribe now. Be among the first to see our transmissions. Get notifications by clicking on the bell icon. And leave a friendly comment for us in the comments section so that we know our broadcast is reaching the surface of the earth.
That's right, Skoolie Nation. And don't forget to visit killerskoolie.com for more information. That's killerskoolie.com. Hey Ed,
What's up, Logan 12?
you know the KSOCC has a great ceiling?
Yeah, it's okay, I guess.
It may not be the best in the galaxy, but hey, it's up there. Get it? It's up there.
Thanks for watching, folks.
Killer Skoolie.